welcome back to my channel. It's Rica, your Airbnb super host, and we are here right now at Standford Suites, Silang, Cavite. So what's gonna happen over here is we're gonna be opening 2 units dito po sa building na to. So this place is actually really good kasi very malapit lang talaga siya sa mga sites here in Santa Rosa or here in Silang, Cavite. Ayan, kasi magkatabi lang naman yung Silang tsaka Santa Rosa. So, ano siya, very near siya sa Enchanted Kingdom. And then over here is my church ng St. Benedict. So, very near kapag meron tayong mga wedding preparations and family events. And also, malapit din siya sa golf course. And ang pinaka-nearby school din dito is St. Scholastica West Grove. Ayan. So, for those of you who are not familiar, bale, ano siya, all-girls school. So, basically, yung neighborhood din nila dito, it's very solemn, it's very exclusive, and it's very, very private, which I really, really love kasi once you enter the vicinity nitong Standford Suites, dito siya sa South Forbes. So, once you enter this place, sobrang solemn and sobrang quiet. So, for me, it's very nice kasi wala tayong maririnig ng mga road noises, road sounds, and nuances. Basically, we're gonna be opening 2 units over here. So the first one is Balinese design. So the Balinese design is gonna be good for 2 people. And then the other one naman is Japandi style. So that one is gonna be good for 2 to 4 people. So as you can see, the place is very compact, but we already made sure that we're gonna make good use of the space that we have. Ayun. So right now, what's happening is they're discussing kung ano yung mga i-build dito sa space na to, and as well as yung pinaka-forma ng place, ganyan, ano yung pinaka-strategy, ano yung timeline that we have for the construction of this place. Because para sa place nito, we're aiming to finish it ng around 4 to 8 weeks. Ayan, so for the 2 units na siya. So, kailangan talaga na okay yung strategy natin para ma-reach natin ang ating mahiwagang goal. The area is super, super peaceful. Yan, sobrang ganda. And then the church is just right there. Diyan lang banda yung church. Over there, that's the St. Benedict Church. So, it's very, very near talaga. And over here, ay meron ding exclusive subdivision over here. As you can see, guys, it's very, very solemn, and also at the same time, it's very, very private. So another thing that I like about this place is yung breeze niya. Like, since this place is surrounded by trees, sobrang sarap ng breeze ng air over here. Right now, it's just 3 p.m. in the afternoon, kaya parang extra init today. Ayan. But it's okay because it's also summer. Ayan, so a while ago, diniscuss namin yung mga things that we're gonna be working on over here. And then nagput na din kami ng mga marks and signages sa walls kung saan kami mag-build. And as well as yung mga things na kailangan i-repair dito sa unit. Kasi even though this unit is newly turned over, so through the months na walang or hindi siya nalagyan ng tao, or yung months na wala siyang laman, nagkaroon syempre ng kulob. And yung kulob, nag-cause din siya ng mga damages and stuff. So as you can see, guys, mas maganda talaga kapag yung mga spaces natin ay actively natitirahan. Kasi once na actively siyang natitirahan, actively din siyang maaalagaan. Ayan. Kumbaga, iba ka din kasi talaga yung feeling or yung space once na may tao versus pag wala. Iba yung buhay. Ayun. So, ayun, I hope everything goes well dito sa mga construction na to. Actually, I'll be documenting the entire journey ng construction na to so you guys can also see ano yung behind the scenes, yung mga things that we do around here. And also, guys, i-share ko na din sa inyo. So, we are already offering design and build services para sa mga Airbnb units. So, basically, we are gonna be curating a design. So, mag-design kami ng interior design for you guys. And as well as, gagawin talaga namin siyang strategic for Airbnb. Ayan, kasi since yun naman talaga yung pinaka-forte natin, ganyan. So, we're gonna be putting it out there. Ayan, so pagdating kasi sa mga Airbnbs, kailangan meron talaga tayong unique design kasi ito yung pinaka makakatulong para maging interested yung guest na magstay sa atin. So the more unique yung design, the more nag-stand out siya sa Airbnb na platform, the better. Ayan. So in fairness, i-share ko na din sa inyo guys yung mga Airbnb that we have designed in the past. Super okay ng performance niya. So I can really testify guys na once na maganda yung design ng space natin, magiging maganda din yung pasok ng business sa ating mga Airbnbs. Proven and tested na po yan namin, kaya ayun, talagang ginagalingan talaga natin pagdating sa departamentong yan. So aside from design and build na services, we also already have yung property management service. Ayan. So basically, ano ba yung ibig sabihin nun? So kung kayo po ay very busy na tao, kasi alam naman natin lahat na pagdating sa business, kailangan talaga natin ng enough time to create enough time na matutukan natin siya. Ang pinakatanong kasi natin dito, ang pinaka-wonder natin dito is, how can I start my own Airbnb business without, hindi masyadong hands-on? Kasi ang nuances kasi ng Airbnb business is, aside sa guest check-in, kailangan ma-maintain yung cleanliness, yung maintenance mismo ng buong space. So if you're gonna be working, if you have a job or if you have another business na talagang tinututukan nyo, much better kung meron ibang magpo-focus naman sa business na gagawin nyo. Ayun, so nag-offer na kami ng property management businesses. Kung meron na kayong ready spaces for Airbnb, what we're gonna do is we're gonna be preparing the place and also para ma-optimize siya sa Airbnb, kumbaga magkakaroon talaga tayo ng guest experience para mas maging unique yung experience natin. And also at the same time, we're gonna be taking photos of the place, ganyan. Meron na po talaga tayong photographer for that. And then we're gonna be putting it up on Airbnb, and then kami na po yung sasagot ng inquiries, mag-a-assist sa guest check-in, check-out, sa cleaning and maintenance. Ayun. So, if you guys are interested to have your space turned into Airbnbs, sa description box ko po, meron dyang page na Rise Up Property Management. So, pwede kayo mag-chat over there. And para naman sa gusto mag-start ng Airbnb, pero gusto nyo na kayo mismo yung magmamanage, meron din tayong courses dyan sa Rise Up Property Management. So, pwede nyo pong i-chat yung page na yan. And kung magpapadesign kayo, pwedeng dyan na din kayo mag-chat. Kasi napansin ko din talaga na maraming gusto mag-start ng Airbnb, pero yung iba gusto nila, hands-off sila, ganyan. And then yung iba naman gusto nila maging hands-on. So, para po sa mga tao po na ganon, it's really okay. Kasi kung ano man yung pinaka-preference nyo on how you want to do your business, it's okay. So, meron tayong choices for that. Ayun. So, ayun guys. So, I'll be going back to the other room na. So, I'll be checking kung ano yung mga ginagawa doon. And then, in a bit, may isa pa din na palating na supplier. So, asikasuhin ko muna siya guys. If you have questions and inquiries, pwede nyo siyang i-comment down below, or pwede din kayo mag-chat na din mismo straight to the pages, or kahit sa aking Facebook page, active na active naman tayo dyan. And guys, so thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoy it. I hope you continue supporting me in this journey of mine. Ayan, journey of ours, ganyan. So, thank you guys for watching, and thank you guys for your support, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!